Betty Boop and an elephant. You know what I realized? Betty Boop in 3D, it looks really messed up. Her face from this angle looks squished. It's 2D did not translate well to 3D. All right, y'all, this is my second time back into Resorts World and seeing what's different. The first time we came was the day after grand opening, so a lot of things weren't open. Now, I understand, most of things are open, not all. But, you know, wanted to kind of see if, one is the crowds are still out, because it was packed the last time I came. And just wanted to see, you know, how the other food fairs, especially this food court, is holding up. Some really cool stuff. All right, so you can get all your 小吃 here, right? That's pretty cool. They now have Tiger Sugar boba tea here. Yeah, it's pretty good. It's just 50% more expensive than if you got it off the strip. So that's the food court. It's like every flavor from around the world.
That is fun.
Yeah. It's pretty empty. Actually, we should have just came here for lunch because I didn't think it would be this empty. I'm a little surprised. All right, it looks like all the signs from Hong Kong style. So here's the thing, like I heard they're not doing well right now. They're like actually having trouble getting guests, yeah.
Now, if you remember about a year ago, we came here just after the grand opening of the Resorts World. And we're curious to see how this place is shaping up now.
I love that one too.
Now, back then, this place was packed. It was the newest casino that just opened up on a strip, and it's been years since a grand opening of this nature had happened in Vegas. As we're walking around here, there's actually still quite a bit of this place that isn't done. A lot of shops still aren't open. The gigantic entrance outside is still just a big plot of dirt. The much hyped Elon Musk Vegas Loop, which runs through the hotel, still isn't open yet.
Why this? I have no idea. I guess the egg industry paid a lot of money for this representation here. This is how dirty it gets. You can see the egg's ass crack. It's actually a nice ass, huh? That is so funny. You normally would not see that unless you literally go take a selfie with it. Yeah, so because of that, they're factoring like, you have like charger, right? And you just keep your drink there, you can watch TV.
Don't move.
Yeah, so you could just sit there and chill and people hang out longer. Just by sitting there, you're like more likely to gamble, so. That is one thing the other casinos can catch up on. Oh, those seats are so cute. All right, that's pretty beautiful, huh?
It is.
It's so, why is it empty? Oh, it might not be open.
I think it's closed right now.
It might be. I guess it's spring themed because I haven't seen this before. Look at this, amazing.
So I'd say if you're waiting for everything to be done, it's not going to be this year. Even though this place is beautiful, it just got kind of an empty vibe to it right now. Almost as if it's too big. Since most people walking up and down the strip aren't going to find their way all the way up to here, the big question is it worth a drive just to come visit this place? And I say yes still. There's still a shiny newness to this place, and that's worth checking out.
I guess it's the elephant season out here. So I guess this is open now, which is a sports bar. It almost feels like for college kids, giant cups that you try to get the, I think most of it's still closed. Cause like these should be stores all up there, but they're not open yet. Zook's Club is in full swing right now. People heading over to the Beach Day Club. All right, the gals here say like these are the hot bags. Why? Because they're interchangeable. Change out the handle, add a fur lining. Right. Most of the stores on our second floor still not open, and third floor for the most part is still off limits. But the stores that are open up here are very cool. Like the Sneaker Garden, it's finally open. I love the way they design the outside, the inside, cool sneakers. And then they have their luxury sexual wellness center. What is this? Wellness, hello. This, all right, hey, Ludette, we need to check this out. Toys for grown-ups, wink, wink. It's on switch, I am on, maybe. Ah, did not realize this. We climbed to the third level up here in Resorts World. Look at the ball. The ball's not even finished. It's not truly a ball. It's got a hole on the top. Oh, what's going on here? I guess there's a show that goes on every now and then. I never even realized it. Is that a Windows error message? Is it really?
It is. It's like
All right, we're all here gambling horses now. Suddenly the horses are running the other way. I didn't even know when this started to happen. Grace here has decided to pick ridiculously low odds, but she gets the win. That's 87 times her input. Number 3's in the lead, 3 and 5. So you won a 3x, which means you won back. Wait a minute. Holy shit, you won. Wait a minute, why you only win 20 games?
So I don't get it because I guess I didn't pick the other.
Did you get was 3 and 5 the top two?
Earlier I did, yeah.
Oh, but not this one?
Not this
No.
one. That's weird, right?
What did we do wrong? I feel like we screwed up. This game's taking us for a ride.